Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Chrome or Edge and navigating to the page or file with the text you need. Once done, make sure you're signed into your Google account so Lens features sync and permissions prompt correctly. If your text is in a photo or PDF, open that file. If it's on another window, arrange it so you can access it quickly. This avoids repeating steps and speeds copying. Now move to the Lens icon or right-click to invoke Google Lens options. You'll right-click the image or click the Google Lens icon in the address bar or toolbar. Once Lens loads, choose the text selection tool. Then drag precisely over the lines you want, because smaller selections reduce recognition errors. Make sure the OCR language matches the document language to improve accuracy. If Lens shows suggestions, use them to refine selection. After selection, click Copy Text. Lens converts pixels into editable. You'll click Copy Text and then paste into your target app. Make sure to confirm formatting and spelling because OCR can introduce errors. If you need exact layout, paste into a word processor and use formatting tools. Otherwise, paste as plain text to drop unwanted styles. If Lens misreads characters, increase image contrast, crop tighter, or rescan at higher resolution. These steps improve OCR. If permissions block Lens, allow camera or file access in browser settings and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.